Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I am doing something that's outside of my comfort zone. It's a little more glamorous, neutral, I guess. I've already done my foundation and everything. I've done my eyebrows off camera. So now we're just going to focus in on the eyes. And I'm using the Color Workshop Eyeshadow Primer. It's not a bad primer, in my opinion. Okay, so for today's look, I'm actually using the Sweet Peach by Too Faced. And I'm going to go in with this flat brush. And I am going to go in with White Peach, which is this top one right here, and apply that under my eyebrow. I love the way this palette smells. Alright, I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush, and I'm going to use Georgia, which is this one right here, and apply that above my crease. And I'm just using windshield wiper motions. And now I'm just going in circular motions to kind of blow that line out. So I'm going in with this brush, but I'm going to go in with Candied Peach because I haven't, it's this, oops, sorry. This one right here. So I am going to, oh my eye is twitching, pat that on the inner third. I don't know if this is really going to be neutral or not, to be honest. These are colors that I don't typically use, and I wanted to do something that I don't normally do. So now I'm taking the same brush, I'm still using Candied Peach, and I'm doing the outer third of my eye. There we go. And do the same on the other side. Alright. So now I'm going to go in with Nectar right here, and I'm going to use my finger and apply that right to the center, just lightly pat. Okay, so I'm going to take this brush, which apparently is a lip brush. I'm going to go in with Summer Yum, which is this one. And apply that in my crease to deepen that up. Now I'm going to go back in with that fluffy blender and a little bit more Georgia. So I'm going to take this brush and Talk Derby to Me, which is this one down here. It's really nice deep purple with some really nice purple sparkle. And I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. And now I'm going to go in with the same fluffy brush with a little bit of Georgia and just peachy. Put that right in the outer corner and drag it down just a little bit. Just going with just a little bit of Talk Derby to Me. Just swirling just a little bit in that very outer corner. And then I'm going to take Nectar again on my finger and put it right on the inner corner. So now we're done with eyeshadows. Now I am going to go in with this blush brush, and I'm going to go in with Just Peachy again, which is this top one right there. Use that as my blush. I'm going to go in with this Flower Skin Radiance Face and Body Illuminator. This is SR1. Going in with this blender. And very quickly tap that on. You have to work fast with this one because if you don't, it will end up being patchy. And no one likes patchy highlighter. That's better. Alright, for lips, I am using the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in Baby Doll. This one is a matte. Alright, there you have it. With the lashes on, they're fairly wispy. They're not overly dramatic. I don't have any of those right now, other than like these purple ones that I have, and that just would not go with this look. I'll use them at some point though. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can find me on social media, which is Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you recreate this look, please tag me and let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.